80 degrees, there's a soft summer breeze as I'm lying beneath the sunlight. The sky is clear, got an ice cold beer, pretty girls on the left, on the right. A perfect date and I think of you. It's not like I haven't tried, but no matter what I do, it's pouring rain inside. Temperatures jumping, my friends are fist bumping, our opponent is thrown in the towel. It's all been the same, one volleyball game, then a party as the crowd's hanging out. Air is dry and the pressure's low. There ain't a reason to hide, but wherever I go, it's pouring rain inside. On my way home, I'm stuck between the past and a new beginning. Here comes a storm, what does this mean? Maybe the weather's finally changing. Blue skies are turning dark and gray. My window's rolled open wide. I'm not afraid if it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid if it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid if it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid if it's pouring rain inside. I'm not afraid